Hello, it's Thursday, June the 16th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar rose against the other major currencies as concerns over Greece's sovereign debt continued to curb risk appetite. Also worse than expected, data from the US caused stock markets to fall and to favor the dollar as a safety investment. Nasdaq and Dow Jones weakened by 1.76% and 1.48% respectively. Crude plunged by 4.6% due to the sensitive situation in Greece and negative data in oil inventories, to close at $94.81 a barrel. Gold increased by 0.1%, closing at $1,526.21 an ounce. Today, unemployment claims are expected to decline from 427,000 to 420,000, and building permits to be 0.55 million versus 0.56 million prior. The euro dropped the most in almost 6 weeks against the dollar after the Greek Prime Minister's government lost political support as the European Union struggled to break a deadlock on a second financial rescue for the nation. The euro-dollar's momentum is bearish after breaking support at 143. As long as the pair's trading below 142.50, the euro could continue to decline towards 141 or even less. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 141.56 and a high of 144.38. Today's CPI and core CPI are expected to remain at 2.7% and 1.6% respectively. The ECB monthly bulletin is also due for release. The pound fell versus the dollar after a report showed UK jobless claims surged more than economists estimated in May, coming out at 19.6 thousand versus 7.1 thousand. As long as the pound dollar is trading below 163, the pound's momentum is bearish and a short position is preferred. Next support on the 4-hour chart is at 161.30. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 161.68 and a high of 163.77. Today, retail sales are expected to fall from 110% to minus 0.50% previously. The yen weakened versus the dollar after negative US data and the Greek situation led investors to stick with the dollar. The dollar-yen's momentum is bullish, and as long as the pair's trading above 80.60, a long position is preferred. Next resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 81.10. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 80.38 and a high of 81.06. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar weakened versus the US dollar as data showed Canadian factory sales dropped in the last month, coming out at minus 1.3% versus 1.9% prior. As long as the pair's trading above 0.9720, the US dollar is the more attractive. Next resistance on the daily chart is at 0.9850. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9670 and a high of 0.9829. Today, foreign securities purchases are expected to be 5.45 billion versus 634 billion prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at maxiforex.ru.